During the past decade, the avionics industry has all but reinvented itself. Not long ago, practical glass systems like this Aspen Avionics EFIS system didn't even exist, never mind being affordable. One company at the leading edge of custom installations like the Aspen or Garmin's popular G500, G600 series is Sarasota Avionics International. With 5 locations plus 3 in Brazil, Sarasota Avionics is the international leader in Garmin sales. In this Avweb company profile, Kirk Fryer explains the Sarasota Avionics business philosophy.
Back in the early 2000s, we saw a change in the industry where it not only went to just customers coming in and getting their old radios repaired, the manufacturers started doing flat rates, and we started seeing that with all the manufacturers around the industry. So the dealers, it was very hard to compete with the manufacturer on fixing the old radios. So we started really focusing on custom installations at that point, because the customer now, instead of getting his old radios, wanted new radios. So if the installation of the new Garmin 530s, 430s that was leading the market, the customer no longer wanted the old radios fixed. He wanted the new style equipment. So that allowed us to take this customization level for the pilot, for the owner of the aircraft, to a completely different level. We offered a flat rate installation as well. So we saw that the industry was going to that with this flat rate with the repairs of the equipment. So we decided, hey, let's do a flat rate customization install that we could give the customer so he knows exactly what he's getting into, knows what it's going to be at the end, so there's no surprises. So how we do the customization, first of all, it's either a walk-in customer or a telephone call or on a quote on the internet that we get on an email over the days, through the day. So one of our salesmen or myself get in touch with the customer, usually ask for some pictures of the aircraft, what his needs are, what his budget is, and then we provide a package for him. We go to a top level package, we go to a bottom level package, and we work in between with him. And most of the time we're very accurate on what the customer wants, because all of our salesmen and myself include our pilots. So we also fly these aircraft that these same guys are flying, so we know what this equipment will do for him and how he can fly it. So it helps him better understand how the equipment works, how it's interfacing the aircraft, and how he's going to be able to fly that aircraft with this new equipment. One sales tool that we do use is our company. We have numerous company aircraft that we use. We took our demonstrators that the manufacturers offer all of their dealers. Instead of putting on top of a glass panel at the shows, we actually put it into the aircraft to show the customer, this is how it's going to look in your airplane, this is how it's going to feel, this is the distance you're away from it, so they can get a really good feel on how they're going to use it in their airplane. So we have a Saratoga, we have a 210, a Bonanza, a Piper 140, we had a 182, so we had numerous aircraft that the customer can come in, set in. We'll go take them flying as well to make sure that this is what they really want. Do they like the touch screen? Do they like the big screen? Do they like the little screen? All this option, do they really want this option that we have displayed? Do we want all these options? Do they want traffic? Do they want weather? This is how it's going to look. This is how it's going to feel. So we took that and put it into the airplane so the customer could really feel what he wants. Some of the specialized services we have here at our Venice shop in Sarasota is we have a panel cutting machine. We have AutoCAD. It's a CNC machine that cuts that panel so we can map it out in your aircraft. We don't have to send it. We don't have to waste downtime with your aircraft sending it out to different facilities. So that's a lot of wasted time. We use a local paint powder coater here. We silt screen in-house as well. And we have our full bench capabilities, both in their Sarasota and Venice location, full capabilities, class 1, 2, and 3.
Sarasota Avionics has locations at Venice, Sarasota, Tampa, Palm Beach, and Punta Gorda in Florida, and 3 affiliates in Brazil. For more, see SarasotaAvionics.com.